Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support, you guys. Thank you. I really appreciate it. And for those of you who are new, welcome. Join the party and let's walk the walk. I say let's walk the walk because I'm going to explain why. So basically, this channel is going to be based on everything money. How to make money online, how to make extra money, how to generate several streams of revenue, how to make passive income, how to save, budget. Basically, we're going to be walking the walk to achieve financial freedom. So if that interests you, then join the party. And how you join the party is subscribe. Smash that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you are notified every single time that I post and you don't get left behind. Okay, let's get into the video. So today's video is going to be a very short video. I'm just going to be giving you guys websites where you can go earn some extra money online. These are going to be tutoring websites, tutoring/teaching websites. Okay, so in a video that I did before about Livingston Research, I also mentioned Preply, one of some tutoring websites. So if you haven't watched that video, please go watch that video before you watch this one. The link to that video will be in the description box below, so you can watch that video so you can get more of a background understanding of Preply. But the first website I'm going to be talking to you guys about today is Preply. Preply is one of the websites where you can go make extra money. So for those of you who haven't watched the video, you can just go onto the Preply website and see what Preply is all about. But it's one of the websites where you can make some extra money tutoring kids online. You can potentially build relationships with these kids and have fixed income per month where you're tutoring specific kids on a monthly basis. And if you are lucky enough to get kids who are in grade 8, grade 9, then you will build a relationship with those kids where you can potentially tutor them from grade 8 to grade 12. That's like 4 years of guaranteed income. Okay, so try that out. The second website I'm going to be telling you guys about is tutor.com. Tutor.com is another website where you can tutor people. This website works more like a website where people will post questions, homework questions and all those things, and then you will answer those questions. This website actually is busy. It has a lot of traffic. There's always work to do there. There's always going to be something to do. So if you want to try it out and you sign up for it, you are going to be getting a lot of work to do there. So I know with tutoring website you're probably thinking, okay, but it's not that active, it's not really that active. And I mean, tutoring platforms are already saturated and all those things. No, they're not, because there's always someone who needs something to be done. And secondly, we live in different time zones. You must also understand that we live in different time zones. So sometimes people can be sleeping and you awake and then you can get a task to do. It's worth the try. So sign up on tutor.com. It has a lot of work, so you're always going to be guaranteed to be busy. So that's the second website. The third website is Schooly. On Schooly, it's basically a tutoring website as well, where you're going to be doing some one-on-one tutoring. Okay, it pays quite a lot. It pays much more than tutor.com, but it's not as busy because it's more of a personal tutoring platform. So actually check that one out as well. Sign up for it, go for it and try it out. I mean, if you have a matric certificate, or you graduated high school, or you have a degree, or you work and stuff and you're trying to generate income, these are opportunities for you to try out. You don't just sit with your matric certificate or your degree or whatever when you can put it to use and earn some income from it. Okay, and it's so nice because online tutoring gives you exposure to a lot of students. You don't have to be limited to people in your neighborhood where you can just travel to them, or people in your country or whatsoever. Online tutoring, you can tutor anyone in the world, which means there's too many people that need to be tutored. There's a lot of people, so the market is very broad. So you don't need to be discouraged and say, oh no, it's saturated. No, sign up, sit there, you will receive a task, you will receive a student to tutor. Like I said, time zones play a huge factor. When people are sleeping, you are awake. You can try and grab that job as soon as you can, or as fast or as quick or whatever. So that tutoring question won't stay on the platform and wait for some people to wake up, because you are up at that time. So you can grab that job, do it and get paid for it, right? The fourth one is called Teach Me To. It's a website where you tutor. This website is for private school children, so it's more of you need to be, if you are like an overachiever, if you're someone who achieved 75% and above for your modules, then this website is for you, because the requirement for whatever subject or module you want to tutor, you need to have achieved or received 75% or above for that specific module. In my case, accounting, I needed to have achieved 75% or above in matric to be able to tutor in this website. Okay, so this one is more for people who are like achievers, top achievers, those type of students. They want those because it's a private school. It's more of private school tutoring, so it's a platform for private school kids to be tutored on that website. So obviously, if they're going to be paying that amount of money and they're private schools, they need to produce, so they trust you if you've received those types of results. So if you, that person, and you're sitting at home and you have nothing to do, but you graduated in varsity with a cum laude, you got an average of 75%, then this is for you. Go there, just go. This is not saturated at all because it's very selective. So if you're one of those people, those individuals who did very well, this is for you. Go. You are going to get jobs, and they do pay very well, and you also have the potential to build relationships with people and have one-on-one students, where if you do the job well, you can actually mentor these students from that grade where you get them up till grade 12, even further than grade 12 to varsity and beyond. So those are the opportunities that these platforms present to you. That's why if you sign up for these opportunities and you do the work and you answer these questions and you tutor these kids, you basically need to do it out of passion. Give it the best that you can. Give it your best, because you are trying to retain these students, you are trying to retain your audience, so you build relationships and you are guaranteed a fixed income on a monthly basis for these kids. And you know how powerful word of mouth is, the marketing of word of mouth. If you do a very good job with one student and the mom is very pleased with your results, she's gonna tell another mom and another mom and another mom, and everyone will be coming to you, and that's how you actually build your own brand. So take everything seriously. Anything, no matter how small, no matter how easy the question is, be patient when you're talking to these people. Try and be detailed when you're answering the questions. If it's questions that were posted on those websites, be as detailed as possible, step by step. Do it in a way that they'll be so pleased with you that they will reach out to you personally, to you, and request you for one-on-one classes. And that's how you're going to build from these types of platforms and make sure you're going to be receiving a monthly income, right? And the fifth one is teaching English online. You don't have to have experience. You don't have to have a teaching degree. You don't have to have anything when you're teaching here. You just need to know how to speak English. That's basically it. That is all that you need to do. You need to know how to speak English. Obviously, you're gonna take like an English test where they wanna see, do you actually really know how to speak English, because they can't just give everyone the job. So they're gonna give you like a small test. You're gonna take that test, and if you pass that test, then you get in. This platform, you're going to be teaching English to mostly Chinese kids are gonna be there. Chinese students are gonna be there trying to learn English. So if you feel that that interests you, or you know English and you feel that you can teach and you feel like you have the patience to teach, then sign up for it. It's called VIP Kids. So sign up for it. Go and try and make that money. And again, like I said before, be very patient when you're teaching these people. Teach with love, with care, and try be as detailed as you can. And if you're teaching English, try create a memory, try make the kids understand, so they remember, so that they're also comfortable around you. And that's how you can build a relationship. And like I said, word of mouth is very powerful. If you do great with someone's kid, the mom can actually recommend you to other moms, and that's how you can guarantee yourself a monthly income. So yeah, that's it for today's video, you guys. Please stay tuned for more videos. I will be posting more, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and turn on that post notification bell so you do not miss out every single time I post a video. Till I see you next time, remember to stay safe, wear your mask, and wash your hands and sanitize. I love you guys. Bye.